Good evening sir, and here are the codes that we use for game sa game na rock paper and scissors. So during the beta na manaday og ka ng typing sa akong mga codes, and during the beta man nang run if successful among game nga code. So far goals lang siya ni run siya, then we need to type lang ang mga codes nga importante, like P stands for tie game, and Y for continuing the game, and A is for tie game, and then Y continue, R is for winning game, and type Y then continuing the game.